Go get in here.
Yeah. Rip it down. Oh.
Whoa. Well, what's on the wall?
Go on the other side and then rip through it like the football players do.
You want to just tear all that paper down?
Mm-hmm.
Tear it down. Ready? Tear it. Hey, where'd you go?
I'm right here under here.
Is the paper just going to stay up now?
Open the paper. Get in there and
Hey,
then
hey, what's in
Punch
there?
it. Punch it down.
get in there. Okay.
Punch it down. Oh.
One more time.
Do it again. Oh.
There you go. Rip it.
Tear it down.
Turn it down. Whoa! Whoa, what did
Tear the other one down.
Whoa,
Oh.
what did you got? Let's see what it says. When ghosts keep
Start on top. Start all the way up on top. Woo!
Whoa!
Woo!
Crash down.
Start all the way up on top. Logan, look at me.
Whoa! Whoa!